Okay, let's see. Okay, so today we learn about the NumPy. So NumPy basically the library which is inside the Python. You can use it. It is absolutely free of cost. You can open source. You can use it freely. So there are lots of library there. You can import that and use that in this in Python. Okay, so there are lots of library like pandas. Also there are Seaborn. Okay, also Plotly, Matplotlib. There are also lots of library are there. So you can use that library for the different type of operations. Okay, so basically the NumPy, it is basically it is used for the working with the arrays. Okay, whenever you work with arrays, then you need to know the NumPy. Okay, so basically NumPy stands for the numerical Python. Okay, so and it also has some function that is work on the domain of linear algebra, also matrices. Okay, there are something we also explore all those things in this session. Okay, so this is basically NumPy. This is a library. Okay, so what NumPy provides? Okay, so in the first point, the NumPy provides an array object that is up to 50x faster than traditional Python list. Okay, so basically NumPy array, what is we work with this object. Okay, in this NumPy. So this is basically similar to the list. Okay, the same thing like list, but it is more faster than list. If you do some operation with list, it will be some time consuming thing. Okay, and if you use the NumPy arrays, it will be very much quicker or faster than the list. Okay, so that's why we use NumPy array for this different type of operation. Okay, basically NumPy is used for the machine learning, AI, deep learning, that part. So there will be need a quicker operation. So that's why we use NumPy arrays. Okay. Also, it supports multi-dimensional arrays. Okay. You can show. I will show some different type of dimension of arrays. Okay, in this video, in this session. So the NumPy provides the multi-dimensional arrays. Those are compression speeds at highs, and also why these NumPy or NumPy arrays are quicker, because its distribution is tasked into different types of subtasks. Okay, and process them parallelly. Okay, so don't do the one task after the another task. No, it will do multiple tasks in same time. Okay, that's why it will take less time. Okay, and also it will give you the advantage of mathematical formulas, also large number of data. Okay, that's why we use NumPy. Now, how can we import the NumPy? Okay, there are two methods. One method you can import, but you can write the different type of syntax. Okay, so the first you can import like this way. Okay, I just write. Okay, you can just write this way, import NumPy. Okay, you can run this way. Okay, only import NumPy, and also you can write this way also. Okay, why we write the second way? Because you can write anything. Okay, so here import NumPy in PY, right? Because whenever I create some, okay, see here, whenever I create some array, we always write to this way, np.array, because array is a function inside the NumPy. NumPy is a library, so there are lots of functions. We show this by this formula. Okay, so here you have to write every time np.array, np. something. That's way. Okay, so multiple time you write NumPy, it will be lengthy. So you can short way. Okay, you can also write in array also. Import NumPy as a n, import NumPy as anything. As mean alias. Okay, here as mean alias. You can choose the name, different type of name by yourself. Okay, for using this function name or this module name. Okay, so by this way you can import the NumPy, import NumPy as a np, and then you can check that there are different type of directory there. Okay, I just change this as a np because I import NumPy as a np, so I use every time np for NumPy. So run this code. So see, there are lots of functions are there inside this libraries. Okay, so basically we works the array at first. So I found this thing. Where is the array? See, here is the array. Oh, so we work with, there are lots of things. Okay, we don't learn all this thing in one day or one thing. There are lots of things. Okay, we try to learn one by one. Okay, the main thing inside this NumPy libraries, you will learn all those things. Okay, there one is NumPy array here, array. Okay, there are something I saw here, ndim also there. Okay, there are lots of things. Okay, you can check by yourself. Okay, this is the directory. How can check? Just print dir np. Okay, this way you can check this directory. Okay, so now coming to the so now the main thing, how can you create a NumPy arrays? This is the main thing. So uh, the array inside the NumPy is called nd array. Okay, the NumPy array is called nd array. So how can you create this array? Just put np.array. Using array function, you just create np.array and you can pass any kind of list or list like object inside this bracket or argument. Okay, you can create any kind of NumPy array. So what is syntax? Just create a variable. You can create a variable, and now then you can just np is that for NumPy dot array, and inside the round bracket you can put or pass any kind of list or tuple also or array like element. Okay, so you can create. Okay, I just create this. Okay, once you import the NumPy, you don't need to import here multiple time. Okay, you can omit out here also. Okay, once you import NumPy, you automatically import here. Okay, so no issue, you can. Okay, just run this code. See, this is a 1 2 3 4 is a NumPy array on nd array, and this is the type. Okay, see, it's a NumPy dot nd array. Okay, this is the type of this a. Okay, what is this? This is a nd array. Okay, so by this way you can create one array, NumPy array or nd array. Okay, everyone clear? What is NumPy array or nd array? Any doubt? Anita, Mujammil?
Clear.
Okay, okay. Right. Also, I right here that you can also pass tuple here. So
No, sir.
yes, so we can pass the tuple also here. So we can also pass the list inside the list. You can use tuple. Also, you create another NumPy array. See, NumPy array. Okay, so you can pass any kind of array like object inside this argument. You can create a NumPy array. Okay. Now come to the dimension in array. Okay, so what is dimension? Dimension, we all know dimension means the 1 dimension, 2 dimension, 3 dimension, 1D, 2D, 3D. We all know this is the dimension we know. But what is the inside dimension? Dimension in array is like the depth of array. Okay, so at first you understood, if there no list inside the array, that's called 0D array. Okay, or scalar. It is also called scalar. Means the array, I just write. Okay, so if I create, let's suppose np dot array, if I put only nothing or just put only one element, no list, it will treat as a 0D array or no dimension array. Okay, it is also called scalars. Okay, it is called scalars. We all know in physics, we all learn what is scalar, what is vectors. Okay, so scalars mean there is only one values, no direction. That is called scalar. They also have only one value, no direction there. Okay, it is called 0D array. Okay, so what is 1D array? 1D array means if the array hold any one list. Okay, if the array hold one list or one element inside the list order, that is called 1D array or called vectors. Okay, so if I put same way, if I give anything inside a list, it is treated as a 1D array. This is 0D and this is 1D. Okay, what is 2D now? If you put list inside a list. That is called 2D array. Let's suppose this is one list and inside this is one list. This is called 2D array because we creating the depth. No, understood everyone? We creating the depth every time. So that is called dimension. Okay. This is 2D array. We'll show with the example. It will clear all the thing. Okay. And what is 3D array? That is also list under list under list. Okay. This is called 3D array. You can do multi-dimensional array, but we have to know that 3D array. So that is the thing. Also 2D array called matrix and 3D array called also tensor. Okay. This is the all dimension of the array. Okay. I clear all this thing and go move to the example part, and also we can check the dimension of the any kind of NumPy array by using ndim keyword or ndim function. We can check. Okay. So see, at first this is the one thing I can create on a NumPy array by using no list. Without list I can create on a array. Okay. So at first I comment out this thing. Okay. Okay. Now run this code. See, it will show only 25. This is not any kind of list. See, here I create, they're always represented by the list, but not here. So it is one type of array, but not zero dimensional. Okay, this is zero dimensional. Now see, the dimension of this x means this array is 0. Okay, so this is the dimension 0. Now come to the next. I put one list. Okay, so run this. See, it is the one list and the dimension of this is what? 1. Okay, because there is only one list. Okay, now come to the next thing. This will be very much tricky. Okay, everyone understood carefully. See, this is the, okay, this is the one list from this bracket. Okay. From this to this, from this square bracket to this square, this is the one list. Okay, this is one list inside this. Okay, but in this list there will be two lists. Okay, so list inside a list, it is called 2D array. There are two lists, so depth is 2. This is called two-dimensional array. Okay, just clear all this thing and run this code. See, the dimension of z is z dot, this is the way you can find the dimension, z dot ndim. Okay, you can, this way you can find the name of the NumPy array dot ndim. Okay, just like you can work with the array, list, tuple, this kind of thing, simple thing, but just understand the concept, how it is work. Okay, this is the two-dimensional. Now come to this. Okay, so watch carefully. Okay, it's a little bit zoom. Okay, I think this will be better. So watch. This is the first list. Okay. Next, this is the second list. And inside this list, there will be, okay, no, don't, okay. Inside the list, there will be two lists was there. One is that and one is that. Okay. Now inside this list also, there are two elements. One, two, no, one and two. Okay. So list inside a list. There are three lists. So it will be dimension of 3 because their depth is 3. Okay. Okay, I will show it with the image, that will be better. Okay, see. If you simply this is the one dimension, I think you can clear one dimension just like this way. And if you draw a matrix, okay, just like 25, 30, 35, 40. This is the key. This is the matrix and it is two-dimensional. Okay, is it two-dimensional? And what is three-dimensional? Okay, just draw a cube this way. Okay. Okay. So here will be one matrix and here will be one matrix. Okay. So see 10, 20. So there will be 10 and here will be 20. And this is the inside one list. So it will be here 30 and 40. Okay. This is one matrix. And also this way 50, 60 and in the bottom 70 and 80. Okay. So this is the 3-dimensional because there is the 3. Okay, length, breadth, and height or depth. You can say both way. Height will be depth same. Here will be depth. Here will be height. So length, breadth, and height this way. So this is the 3-dimensional. Okay, so you can understand this way. Matrix is for 2-dimensional and cube this way you can look like the 3-dimensional. Okay. Okay. Now, so we can understand what is the different type of dimension. Everyone clear? Who left?
Yes, sir.
Okay, who left? Okay, okay. Please don't leave anyone because it is very crucial session. Everyone please try to understand all these things. Okay, now, okay, you can also create different type of dimension, but we have to learn up to 3 dimension. But you can change manually by putting some dimension. Okay, so how can you change any the list or the NumPy array into any kind of dimension? Okay, so by creating this way, if I don't put this thing, okay, so if I don't give this thing, so it will be treated as a 1D array. So I want to change this thing into 3 dimension. How can I do that thing? You can do by the ND min argument. Okay, ND min argument. Okay, how can you change? You just put ND min and you have to give the dimension which dimension you want to move. If you choose 3, it will create a 3-dimensional array. See how can it is do? See, just putting multiple square bracket, nothing but. Okay, because it is creating a depth list under a list under a list. Okay, this is the dimension of 3. This way you can create the multi-dimensional list. Also you can 5th-dimensional list also. Just it will put just multiple brackets, multiple square brackets. Okay, nothing but. Just run this. Okay, just see, it's just putting multiple bracket and it will keep the 5th dimension of this simple thing. You can just understand. Okay, now come to the part. Okay, up to this dimension part, I think all of you have no doubt. All is clear. Okay, now come to the check the length, shape, and size of an array. Okay, so what is shape? Shape means it will give you the how many number of rows are there and how many numbers of column are there. Okay, this it will give you the shape. Okay, so if I go to here for this array for, okay, I just go move to here. Okay, see here whenever I write 25, so it is not a list. So for this it has no shape. Okay, it is blank shape. If I try to fetch the shape of this array, I have no shape. It will come out with a just blank bracket. Okay, so there is no shape. Okay, and also now come to the length part. What is length? Length is it will count the total number element in the outermost list. Let's suppose, okay, see, there are two lists, one list inside the one list. So in the outer one means this list from this to this. So there are how many elements are there? There are 2 elements. So the length of this array is 2 because there are 2 elements inside the last or outermost list. Okay, and for here you can come to here in the last. See, so how many elements are there? So there are 1 element and there are another element. So there are two elements. So that was it's also have the length is 2 because the outermost list has only 2 elements. That's why it's called the length of this array is called 2. Okay. And come to the size. Size, it will count the total number of element inside the array. Okay. Inside the array, the total number of elements it will count. Okay. Not inside the list. Total number of inside the list or outside list, all element it will count. It will give the total number of element, that is called size. Okay. Now check for every this thing. Okay. For first, we can use the zero-dimensional array. Run this code. Okay. See. So it will print the 42 in one row and the shape. See, there's no shape because there are no row, no column. So that way it will give as a blank with the round bracket. And what is the size? It is because it is have only one element, not inside list, but have only one element. So that's what's called. This is have only one element. It's the size. But if I print the length, okay. See what happened. See the error come because why? Because there is no list, so that is it cannot count any element. So there is no list. That is called it is no list and no element inside the list. That is it did not count the length of the array. Okay. Okay. Now come to the okay. Omit this thing and run this code again. Okay. See this way. Now come to the 1D array. So anyone tell me what is the shape of this array? Anyone? Why you are left? Okay, Pooja. Hello. Am I audible to all of you?
Hello.
Yes. Pooja, tell me what is the shape of this B number array?
I think one.
Why? Let's see.
1, 2, 3, 4 is a row or a column?
It's a row. Okay. There is only one row. Okay. So this is the 5 row and 0 column. So 5 comma just bracket close.
Okay.
Okay. This is the shape. And what is the length? Length?
Length is 1.
No. See, what is the length? Length means total number element in the outermost list. What is the outermost list? Is the only one list? So how many element inside the list? So the arrays is 5. Okay. And size also, or how many elements are there? 5. So it will be same. So run this code. Okay, understood everyone. See, this is the list. This is the NUMPY array at first, and then the shape. What is shape? This is the 5 row. Okay, this is the row. Okay, it will looks like this way, but whenever you write, this is the row. And okay, if I create, see here. Okay, see, whenever you create this 1D array, how much you write? This way, and this is this way. So first row, second row. Okay, this way. This is the one row. So there is a 5 row and there is a 5 row this way. Okay, and there will be length is be 5 because 5 elements are there in the one list, and also there are more total is 5 elements. Also size will be 5. Okay. Now tell me this. What is the shape of this? See, anyone tell me. Pallavi, try. Hello, Pallavi, are you there? Yes, try to say this.
There is
What is
two,
this? Yes, good. Say two.
two per list in this element.
Okay.
The size is
Okay, tell me
6.
the shape. What is the shape? The shape will be
There is
2, 3. Okay.
yes.
2 comma. Okay, just print this C at first. Sorry. Okay. See, what is this NumPy array? So this is the 2 row, first row, second row, and the how many columns are there? 3 columns. So 2 comma 3. It will give 2 comma 3. Okay, understood clearly.
Yes.
What is the length? Length means in the outermost list. What is the outermost list? This is the
6.
outermost list. Sorry, what? Why this? This is the outermost list. Okay, so in this list, how many elements are there? 1 element and 2 element. There are 2 elements inside this by separated by comma. Only 2 elements. So the length is 2. Okay, and the
Yes.
size, total number of element. How many elements are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 elements. The size will be 6. Okay, clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just comment out all this. See, the 2, 3 is the shape and the length is 2 because there are only 2 elements in the last list and 6 for the total list. Okay, 6 for total elements. Okay, and now this is the last for 3D array. Tell me, Mujammil, are you there? Hello, Mujammil. Hello, Mujammil, are you there? Okay, I think it's, okay. Others, Pooja or Pallavi, anyone can try to guess what is the answer. Hello, am I audible to all of you? Yes,
Yes,
Pallavi.
sir.
Pallavi, tell me, what is the shape?
There is
Okay, I just print this thing at first. Okay, now tell me.
shape is 1 to 2.
No. Okay, okay. So now, what is the length? Length.
Length is
Check to
1 to 8. Last.
size will be 8. It will correct. Size will be 8. What is the length? Length means check the outer list. This last bracket. Inside this bracket, how many comma? The 2. So the length is 2 because there are 2. 2 lists inside the last list. Okay. So 2 will be the length and shape will be 2 comma 2 comma 2. Okay. This way. See, 2 comma 2 comma 2. Okay, because at first checking 2 element for this last. Okay, 2 element inside this 2 element and inside the one list 2 element. Okay, checking for every list how many elements are there. Okay, for first list. Okay, how many elements are there? 2 elements. Understood this. Okay, for this first list. Okay, there are only 2 elements. One list and another list. So 2. So 2 for the row. Again, move to the depth. Again, for this first list. Okay, this is the another 2 list. So inside this one list, how many these are there? 1 and 2. 1 and 2. So it will be 2. And inside this another list, this will be 2. So it will be 2. So this way. Okay, 2, 2, 2. Okay, I think clear the length, shape, and size. Okay. Now you can change the shape. Okay, wait a minute. Lots of left. Okay, wait for a Okay, I think everyone have cleared what is shape, what is length, what is size. Okay, now come to the just understood how can you check this shape. Okay, just how can you check? Just putting the name of the NUMPY array and dot shape, and for length function, we all know len function in the using the list len of this NUMPY array, name of the NUMPY array, and the for size d dot size. Okay, this is the technique. How can you just write this one? Okay, you can get the output. Okay, now you can also change the shape. Okay, so at first I so what is this? At first I check the shape of this. Okay, I create this array, and what is the shape? This is 2, and inside, because there is the in the last set list there is 2 elements, 2 list, so 2 for the row and 6 inside the every list, so 6 is the column. Okay, so I want to change the shape. Okay, so what is shape? Shape means 2 comma 6 is the shape. You want to change the shape. What is the change here? I write 3 comma 4 here, but we can change any kind of shape. Anyone tell me? We can change. Can we change by 2 comma 7? Yes or no? There's a method we can change the shape, but can we change this shape? Or 1 comma 8 or 3 comma 4? Also another question. Also 1 comma 12. Okay, tell me. Hello, am I audible? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me. In which shape we can change, or we can change into any kind of shape? There's any kind of rules there? Mujammil, any idea?
No, sir. No idea.
Okay, see, if I change to this, it will not happen. It will not work. It will not work. It will not work. But this and this will work. Why? Because whenever you change the shape, you always check the size of the element. That should be same. So what is the size of this array? Okay, let's check. What is the size? So print x dot size. See 12. That's 12 is size. So how can you know? Because 2 cross 6. 2 cross 6 means 2 into 6 means it is 12. So this way you can know the size. So whenever you change the shape, you always have to the multiplication that give the same size output. So 3 cross 4 is 12. That's why you can change the shape into this. And also 1 cross 12, because 1 into 12 is equal to the 12. So every time the size of the NUMPY array should be same. Because if I change to 2 cross 7, it will give the 14. There are no 14 elements and no 1 into 8 elements. So how can we change this? There are no extra elements. So how can they change or adding some more element? They're not possible. So that's why whenever you change the shape, you always have to check the multiplication of the row and column should be the same of the previous size. Okay, it will be that thing. Okay, so you can change into these two. Okay, clear, Mujamil?
Yes, yes, sir. I got it.
Okay, so now you can change this thing into this by the reshape method or reshape function. Just give the name and dot reshape and put the argument and change, write the shape there. Okay, the row and column. Okay, run. See, this is the shape. But first you can write this way. There's the what is this? This is 2 row and 6 columns. Now it will change the 3 row and 4 columns. Okay, you can do multiple way. Okay, I just okay, adding some more, and I just put here z is equal to x dot reshape and create the reverse 4 cross 3 also. Okay, just matrix formula. Okay, print z. Okay, X is the this. Okay, whenever I create this, I don't need to call every time. So see this way. This is the first. Whenever you just create this array 2 cross 6, now it is 4 row and 3 element for each row. Okay, you can do this way. Also, you can do 1 cross 12 also. Okay, run 1 cross 12 because there is only 1 row and 12 element. Okay, and also you can do the reverse also 12 cross 1. I think it will be happen. See, this is the looking like odd. Okay, so no issue. But so this way you can just change the shape of the any kind of NumPy array, and also you have to know the size will be always same. Okay, by this conclusion you can do by these rules you can change any kind of shape. Okay, I think clear. How can we change the shape? Okay, now come to the next thing, that is check the data type of an array. Okay, what is this thing? So what you pass this list, you can check that by that way. Okay, what is this inside this list? What elements inside this list? It is the integer data inside this list, or it is float, or it is boolean, or it is complex. Okay, so there are different type of data are there, we all know. So how can we check? Just putting the name of the array and dot d type. Okay, please everyone note this. I will share this whole this Python file in the chat box and also the group, but everyone try to note it down. Maybe it will be better for you. There are lots of things, lots of function we use here. It will be complicated whenever you again go through these things. Okay, so everything you will just note it down. Okay, so d type you can use for checking the data, what is type of data inside the list. Okay, so I create here, we all know this is all the integer, so it will show us the integer data type. Okay, nothing but to run this thing. See, int 32. Okay, this way you can. Okay, also the 32 is the bit. We will know about this thing in the next session, but today just learn how this thing, what is this thing, data type. Okay, okay, next it is, we all know this is the floating data type, floating point. So float, see, this is a float. Okay, and now this is the thing, this is true and false. You all know true and false is for used for boolean or bool data type. So done, and you can check. See, it is showing us the bool. Okay, the data type is bool. And for this, we all know this is the complex number, writing by this way 1 plus 2j. Okay, here you cannot write by the I, you have to write the with j. So okay, so this is the complex number and it will give you the complex data type. See, complex data type. Okay, so this way you can check the data type of the element inside the list. Okay, is it clear? Hello, Mujamil, Pallavi, Pooja,
Yes,
clear?
yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if
Yes,
you
sir.
have any kind of doubt, you can ask me. Okay, don't worry. I'll try to clear all those things. Okay. Now come to the change of data. You can change the data type by just write this thing inside the bracket. So the d type is equal to float. You can change this okay, integer data type into float. Okay, run this code. Just write this syntax, just creating the array and also putting this d type. Okay, this way. And also see, this is changing to the float. You can change also boolean by putting bool. See, there are five element. It will show you the 5 true. So this way, just change this data type. Also, you can give the complex also here. Okay. See, it will just create the complex. Okay, 1 1 1 0 1 plus 0, it plus 0 into j means 1. This way you can just create this complex. Okay, by this way you can change the data type of the element inside the list. Okay, inside this NumPy array. Okay, now come to the main thing. Also, this is called indexing. We all know indexing. So in the list we all run. If I write something Python for every element have different numbers. So starting from 0, it is 0, it is 1, it is 2, it is 3, 4 and 5. Sorry for the handwriting. Okay, just understood this way. So same for here also. Okay, same for here also. So in this NUMPY array, what is the element here? 2, 5, 4, 8, 17 and 23. Okay, 23. Okay, so for 2 it is what? It is tail element 0, and 5 it is 1, 4 it is 2. The index value. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this way. Okay, and you can search some element by through the index value. So this is the called indexing. So we want to fetch the element at the index number 3. So tell me what is the output? Anyone? Tell me. Pallavi, tell me what is the output?
3. 4, sir.
Why 4?
No, sir. 8.
Yes, because it
Because
starts from
starting for
0,
0.
0, 0.
8.
Okay. Yes, it is 8. 0, it is 0. This is 1. This is 2. And this is 3. Okay, so x3 you can just find by this way. X, the name of the NUMPY array, and give the square bracket and inside the index number. This way you can fetch the element inside this index number. Okay, so 3 is 8, so it will give to you the 8 output. Okay, run. Sorry, not run. See, 8 is the output. Okay, so also you can fetch in multi-dimensional array also. So this is 2-dimensional array. Okay, so check this way. How can you fetch the data? Okay, so whenever you give the indexing by multi-dimensional, you have to give for different dimension, different type of elements. Okay, there's 2-dimensional array, we all know. So here you have to give the 2 argument. Okay, what? One for the first list. Okay, see, there are 2 lists inside the 1 list. So which list it will goes? So 1 for the any 1 list, and 5 for this that's inside list, the index number 5. Okay, understood very clearly. So inside this list, this is 1 element, this is second element, first, second. So this index is 0, and this whole list. Okay, and this whole index is 1. Okay, so this is the index for this first 2 element. Now inside this list, or inside this element, there are how many elements? 6 elements. So for every, this is 1, it is 2, it is 3, it is 4, it is 5, and it is 6. Okay, this way for same. So what I have to fetch? 1, 5. So at first you go for this first 2 elements. So this is 1. So go to there. Okay, and then it will fetch the 5. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 27 will be the element. Okay, so see what is the output here. See, 27 is the element. Okay, now tell me, I give you one print x bracket 0, 3, also print bracket x bracket 1, 2. Okay, tell me what is for 0, 3.
First one is 6.
Carefully. 0, 3. What is 0 at first?
0 means first one.
Yes, this list 0 and 3.
8.
1, 0, 1, 2, 3.
8.
8 will be the output. Okay, this is the 8.
One.
And for 1, 2?
2, there is 6.
6.
Yes, 0, 1, 2, 6. Okay, go to everyone. See, 27, 8 and 6. Okay, I think everyone clear how can you do the indexing with multi-dimensional array? If you there another dimension, there will be another argument at 1, 2, 3. Okay, this way it will adding every time. Okay, you can check by yourself in your home. Okay. Okay, now come to the another thing we want to know, slicing, which is come with the indexing part. Slicing means just slice the thing into some boundaries. Okay, this is that is for slicing. We all know there is a syntax, start index, end index. That is excluded, and also the step. Okay, so at first we do for this first. Okay, I comment out this. Okay, tell me what is this give you? Tell me anyone. Slicing means it will give you some values. Okay, more elements. Okay, not one. Okay, if you understood also, this one is called index. This is first index, one index, and is 8 indexed. Okay, if I mark everyone here, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is sorry,
0.
0, 0, sorry, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4,
There is
5. Yes, tell.
there is one 12 and 28. First
Okay,
one is
okay, see.
sorry 34, 28.
Yes, so it will print from 1. 1 means it will take 1. 1, what is 1? 1 is 34. So 34 to 8 index, but end index excluded. Excluded means it will not take the 8 index number. Okay. It will
Okay.
print up to 7th indexed. Okay. So it will give you the 34 to 92.
92.
Okay.
Yes,
Clear
sir.
everyone? See,
Yes, sir.
34 to 92. This way you can give the you can get the index values or the slicing values. Okay, now come to the next thing, that is the using the step. Okay, by default, okay, whenever you did not give the step, it will take one step. What this means? It means from 34 to 56 needs one step, and 50 step to 78 one step. Go just one step. You just imagine like step 56 to 78 one step, just jumping one step. So this is always taking by default. Okay, if you give here another with colon and give another number, this is 2, this means it will take 2 step. What this means? It will jump one element, and one step, 2 step means it will jump one element or skip one element. Okay, so now tell me what is the output?
12 sorry 34 then 45.
No. It's jump one element.
34,
Uh,
78, and 10.
yes, and up to I think 92 also be there. No, not 92, because 7 will be up to there, so it will not count. Okay, see now the output. Okay, see 34, 17, 18. Why did not print the 45? Because it will take up to the for 92, no, not 92, for the 45. So up to 10, it will not going here. There are no elements are there, so it will stop there. Okay, this is the thing. Okay, now this, can you tell me what is the output?
56 and I think 28.
Yes, it will starting from 2 means to a second index and up to the end element. Okay, there is no boundary over there. And what is for that? It will be same. Can you tell me what is the output?
7 means there is 92.
Yes, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 means it will excluded. So up to 45 from starting. Okay, from 0 from beginning to 45. Okay, the end index means it will excluded. The 7th element did not print here. Okay, just run. See, for print 2 means 56 to 28, and from 0 to 12 to 7 up to 45. Okay, so 92 is omit out. Okay, So
Yes, sir.
everyone clear? Mujammil?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
I
okay,
got it.
okay, okay. Now, okay. Next is the something. It's complicated by using this thing. You can fetch some specified row because this is the multidimensional array. So there will be row and column. So you can fetch the row. So how can you row? Okay. At first you understood how can you write the shape by this way. The 3, 4. This is the shape. So here 3 is the row number and 4 is the column number. So whenever you can fetch the row, always give the any kind of value this side, left side. Okay. It is treated as a row. And then just put this colon and complete the bracket. It will give you the specified index wise row. Okay. So at first I comment out this line and print this. Okay, this is the whole matrix. So see, this is the first row, this is the second row, this is the third row. So it will print you the first row, not first row, first index row, because this is the 0th index or 0, this is the 1 and this is the 2. Okay, for every time indexing, I mean it will give start with 0. Okay, so this is first row, so it will print the first row and all elements in the first row. Okay, see, this is the it print the first row. So whenever you want to print any kind of row, just put the row index, the index number of the row. Okay, it will give you. This is the first, second, third. This is the row. Okay, now come to the column also. How can you do? By putting the number right side at, by using comma. Okay, and this colon in the right side. Okay, so what is the 0th? 0th means this the column. Okay, I print the array. Okay, see, this is the 2 row and there is the 1 2 3 4 6 column. So it will give you the 0th column, means this column 2 and 7. Okay, run. See, it will give you the column using the list. Okay, this way. You can change this. You can put 3. So what is the 3? 0 1 2 3. This is the 8 3. Okay, this way you can print 8 3. Okay, clear everyone? How can you fetch the column and rows? By using slicing and indexing. Hello, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the using this kind of indexing and slicing, you can change the values inside the array. Okay, just update the values inside the array. This way you can do. At first it is called indexing x4. So can you tell me which value will be changed as a 10? Tell me, anyone. It will change the 4th index value by 10 and print the whole array by using the 10 value. Tell me, what is the output? Yes, right. Don't worry. It will be wrong. No worry.
17 changed by 10.
Okay, see what is the 4? 0 1 2 3 4. This is the 4th index, so it will be changed by 10. Baki all are same. Just run this code. See, 2 5 4 8 and 7 will be changed by 10 and replaced by 10. Okay, now you can, this is what is this is called the indexing using the multidimensional array. So here it will change the 100. So tell me, which value is changed?
There is
At first check the row or check the list. Which list will go?
11.
No.
Second index.
Second index means it is 0. It is 1. It is 2.
Okay.
2 and 4.
Okay.
This 2.
74.
Yes, 01374 will be changed.
Yes.
Run this code. See the 8, not 74, the 85 by 2,4, 0, 1, 0.
Yes,
Oh,
sir,
sorry. So
85.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4,
Yes,
4,
sir,
85,
85.
85. It will be changed by 100. Okay. See. Okay. By this way, you can just change. Same thing, the slicing or indexing. Same thing. You just put the indexing wise and just put the value. It is equal to some values. It will change the number. Okay. Just do the operation. How can we change this thing? Okay. And again, you can change the value of the using the slicing also. So slicing means how many is the slice? From 1 to 6 means this is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up to 6 means up to 10. So
10.
34 to 10, it will change all value by 1 because I put the value only 1. Okay, understood. Okay. So whenever I put only one value in the slicing, it will change the all value. Okay. Run this code. See the all value between this slicing range change by 1. And if
Yes.
you want to change by particular element by some element, then you have to put the same number length of element which you slicing. Their slicing is 5 elements, so you have to give the 5 elements. Okay. If you omit some element, it will show the error. See here, I just put remove some. See error because there are shape is 5, but it is 4. So why I give? How can I give this? Okay, so that's why you have to give the same number of element whenever you use the list. Okay, this way you can change these values, and also by using the row and column you can change. Okay, so this is the for row. You can change the whole row by 100 because I just put only one number. It will change the second row because 1 means second, 0 for 1, 1 for second. It will change the second row by 100 because I put only the 100. And if you change by elements, for every elements in the row, you have to give the number of same number of elements by list. See, if I give the 6 element, it will change the whole row. And same for the column also. Column, if I change the column, it is the second column means second column means 27 is the first, 525 is the second, 1 0 1 2 3 2 4 and 6. 4 6 will be changed by 250. See, 4 6 will be changed by 250. And here also you can just put any value, same shape. Okay, and change this thing. Okay, see, 3 means 8 and 3. 8 and 3 will be changed by 1% and 2056. Okay, just understood the slicing and indexing part, and then just change using that thing. You can change the values. Okay, all change single value and also change by the full row column also. Okay, I think everyone have clear all the things. Hello,
Yes, sir.
any doubt? Pallavi, Mujammil,
No, sir.
all clear?
No, sir. No, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. 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 So I will. Okay. Wait for a minute. Just. Stop the sharing.